So hey, what's up? In this video, we're going to talk about shredding on guitar. There are several shredding techniques that you can learn to master on guitar, but I believe the best way to get started is with hammer-ons and pull-offs. So grab your guitar and let's get into it. So what is shredding on guitar? Here is what I found from a Google search. Bottom line is, shredding is all about playing really fast, using several techniques that need to be mastered on guitar. So I then decided to see what I could find on YouTube, and I ran across this video by Ben Higgins. This guy is freaking amazing, and I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out this video as well as checking out his channel, which has some great teaching. So let me know in the comments, who are your favorite guitar shredders? Here are some of mine. So for this lesson, I'm not going to talk about the techniques like finger tapping, sweep picking, and fast arpeggios. What I want you to notice from the clips that I just showed you is that each player he demonstrates uses alternate picking with a combination of either picking every note or using hammer-ons and pull-offs. So here are some examples of taking the same lick and picking every note versus using hammer-ons and pull-offs. So we're going to be in the A minor pentatonic scale. Here's a lick played on the G and the D string. So here it is picking all the notes. Now here it is using hammer-ons and pull-offs. So you can really hear the difference just playing one string. So check this out. Playing every note, now with hammer-ons and pull-offs. So I'm going to take this lick right here and start out picking every note. Now we're going to pick the first three notes on the G and the B string. And we're going to use hammer-ons and pull-offs on the E string. Here it is slow. All right, so let's look at some other cool ways that we can use hammer-ons and pull-offs. So we can play on just one string. Check this out. And we're going to play a G major scale, so the notes are going to be... So we're going to play this sequence right here. Now we're going to use hammer-ons and pull-offs. Now let's play some other licks using this same G major scale. Here's another really cool two-string lick. Here it is played slow. So notice the hammer-ons and pull-offs are on the first string. You're picking the second string. And then pull off, pull off. Now I'm going to play a sequence that's in the A Dorian scale. So the scale is this. But we're going to start on this E note right here, and we're going to be in this position. This first part we're picking every note, and then when we come back up to this note, now we're fixing to do hammer-ons and pull-offs. Here that is played really slow. All right, now we're going to change up and we're going to do something in the E minor pentatonic blues. Here's another fun 2-string lick where you play a note, bend up a whole step, and then do a hammer-on and pull-off on the next string. Here it is on these 2 strings. So remember, all these licks really sound great at even a slower tempo. Once you can shred by using a combination of picking every note and hammer-ons and pull-offs, the sky is the limit for where you can go from there. So I really encourage you to spend the time and the effort, because being able to play this stuff is very rewarding. Thank you for watching, and now go check out Ben Higgins' insane 100 shredders guitar solo. Keep rocking, and I'll see you in the next one.